Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let's open today's session by praying together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Raditu billahi rabba wa bil islami dina wa bi muhammadin nabiyya wa rasula. Rabbi zidni ilma wa rizukni fahma. Rabbi israhli sadari wa yassirli amri wa hlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Amin. Alhamdulillah. How are you, Amel?
I'm fine, Miss.
Okay.
Alhamdulillah.
Put your microphone closer. Turn up the volume, or you can speak louder so I can hear you because I cannot hear you yet. Can you do it? What do you think about the weather today? Is it raining outside your Ma'had? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. I still cannot hear you. Can you try to speak louder? Say something, please, so I can hear you. Uh, Still no voice from you. Okay. Yeah. Is it raining outside your Ma'had? Yes. Oh my, what happened? I'm going to turn up my volume so I can hear you because I cannot hear you yet, Amel. I can hear the voice. Can hear the sound, but I cannot hear you. Okay. Amel, do you like rains? Which one do you prefer? Rains or sunny day? A rainy day or a sunny day? Which one do you choose? A rainy day or a sunny day? Or do you like both?
Yes.
Yeah, which one? Which one do you prefer? Which one do you choose? A rainy day or a sunny day? Or do you like both? Oh, I'm happy when it rains. I'm also happy when it's sunny. A rainy day means when it rains. A sunny day means when it doesn't rain, when it's not raining, and when the sun shines brightly. Or you like uh many those two kinds of those two kinds of days.
Cerah, Miss.
Okay, you like the sunny day. Why?
Um,
Because
because
Mhm.
segar.
Okay, what is segar in English?
No, fresh.
Fresh, nice. Yes, because it's fresh. When it's fresh, what do you do?
Dingin.
Okay, what do you wear when it's fresh, when it's sunny?
Um,
You can wear anything, yeah? I mean, you don't have to wear a jacket, you don't have to wear a raincoat, right? You don't have to wear um a very thick clothes. So you can wear basically anything. What kind of clothes do you like to wear, Amel? I mean, sometimes when at home, I like to wear very short sleeve um blouse at home. And sometimes when I go out, I like to wear a t-shirt. When I go to work, of course, I have to wear something formal. What is um the clothes that you like to wear? Your favorite when you feel most comfortable. What comfortable dress or clothes do you like to wear? Menurut Amel, baju yang paling nyaman tuh baju apa? Kaos, t-shirt, gamis,
T-shirt.
dress, t-shirt. Okay. So you like a t-shirt. What kind of hijab do you like to wear? The instant hijab you are wearing now or the square one or pashmina?
Um, Instan.
Instant. Why is it? Kenapa?
Cepat dan nyaman.
Okay. Nyaman is comfortable. What is cepat?
Kan? Hmm,
Cepat means fast.
hmm,
Yes.
ya,
Mudah, mudah digunakan. It's easy, right? Tidak apa? Tidak gerah?
tidak,
Tidak gerah ya. It's not hot.
tidak.
Yes, tidak gerah. It's not hot. So it's fast. It's easy. I'm going to put something to my whiteboard here. So today, Amel, we're going to talk more about how we describe things, ya. Kita akan membicarakan, kalau kemarin kita membicarakan shopping, hari ini kita membicarakan tentang bagaimana kita memilih belanjaan, ya. The things that we buy. Kenapa kita milih ini kok tidak pilih itu, ya. So we are talking about preferences, kesukaan atau preferensi. Kita lebih suka yang mana? So we're going to talk more about adjectives, ya. Adjective means kata sifat. Alright. So for example, I like sunny day because it's fresh. Okay, fresh. I like t-shirts because it's comfortable. I like instant hijab because it's fast to use, because it's comfortable, and it's very easy to use. It's very easy to clean. It's very easy for me to wash. Yes, and well, it's just nice to wear instant hijab. Okay, now let's talk about shoes, Amel. What kind of shoes do you like to wear? What kind of shoes do you like to wear? Suka pakai sepatu apa? Sneakers? Sepatu olahraga?
Atau no,
Sepatu pantofel?
satu no.
No. Flat shoes?
Ah,
Yeah, flat shoes, yeah.
iya sih.
Mm-mm. Why?
Nyaman.
Nyaman, because it's comfortable, yeah. And then let's talk about motorcycles, yeah. You ride motorcycles anywhere to go to any places in Semarang. Why do you choose motorcycles? Sometimes people like to go by Gojek, right? Sometimes people like to go by Trans Semarang, Trans Jateng, BRT, feeder. Uh, you like to go by motorcycle. Can you
The
tell me
trans,
why? Mhm.
and transport uh, dengan Semarang.
Okay, so you can go anywhere, yeah, easily without having to wait for the BRT, ya. Jadi nggak harus nunggu, bisa pergi kemana saja, kapanpun, right? Yes. Now let's talk about jacket. Yeah, let's talk more about fashion, yeah. We're going to talk more about fashion. If you see a jacket, if you wear a jacket, which one do you choose or which one do you prefer? Is it a leather jacket or is it a sweater? Misalnya ada jaket, lebih suka jaket kulit atau lebih suka sweater?
Jaket kulit
Jaket kulit. Why is it?
lebih nyaman pakainya ketimbang sweater.
Oke, lebih nyaman. So it's comfortable ya.
Comfortable.
Aha. Lebih nyaman means more comfortable in English. Lebih segar. Sunny day is fresher than rainy day. Yeah, it's just fresh. Fast. Lebih segar, fresher. Lebih nyaman, more comfortable. Kalau lebih cepat, what do you think, Amel? Do you know? Is it faster or more fast? Pernah
More
dengar
fast.
tidak? Pernah dengar lebih cepat bahasa Inggrisnya apa? Faster.
Yes.
Mm-mm. Kalau lebih mudah, what is it in English? Easy,
Fast.
fast, faster. Easy,
Is the
easier. Yes. Hot,
hotter.
hotter. Yes, nice. So today we also practice using the adjectives with um comparative degree, ya, with comparative degree, perbandingan. Yang ini lebih nyaman. This one is more comfortable. This one is easier to use. Ya, we call that one degree of comparison. Ya, perbandingan. Ada yang lebih, ada yang paling. So today we talk about lebih. Fresh is fresher, lebih segar, fresher. Comfortable, more comfortable. Fast, faster. Easy, easier. Hot, hotter. Okay. Now I'm going to ask you to take a look at something. Yeah. I'm going to share something, yeah, to the Telegram, and it's about the adjectives. Meanwhile, please open your book. You can open any page, the blank page, any blank page. Buka halaman kosong, and then write down at least 5 adjectives. Boleh adjektif apa saja, kemudian cari bahasa Inggrisnya. For example, nyaman, comfortable, segar, fresh, and then panas, hot, mudah, easy. Ah, coba sekarang, uh, in some minutes, find 5 adjectives. Boleh buka HP, boleh cari ide. 5 kata sifat boleh. Kemudian tuliskan bahasa Indonesia, both the Indonesian and English. And then find we're going to find the comparative form of those five adjectives. Ya, jadi cari halaman kosong, ditulis 5 kata sifat, kemudian kata dalam bahasa Inggrisnya. Kalau Amel bisa langsung cari em, tadi lebih apa, lebih apa, lebih apa. Kalau belum bisa, we're going to discuss it later ya. Meanwhile, I'm going to post some uh, ways to form adjectives. Okay, we're going to do it in like 2 to 3 minutes. Find 5 adjectives on how to say adjectives, yeah, and then try to find the English words, then try to find the degree of comparison. Meanwhile, I'm going to share with you the
Kalimat kan, Miss?
kata-kata saja, kata sifatnya aja dulu.
Kata sifatnya aja.
Hmm.
Em, sekarang no.
Mhm. It-
Kalimatnya "Hah,
Kata sifat, Amel. Misalnya tadi eh segar, segar kan kata sifat ya. Kemudian baru, panas, mudah, itu kata sifat. Now you can find kata sifat. Misalnya besar, indah, bagus, something like that. Sudah?
udah, Miss."
Sudah, oke. What do you find?
Cute, cute is imut.
Cute, oke.
Angry, marah.
Angry, oke.
Bush, sibuk.
Push, push.
Ace, bush.
What is it? Sorry.
eh eh, b- bush.
Whoosh.
Marah, marah. No, no.
No, no,
Sibuk.
no. Sibuk, busy.
Oh, gitu.
Mm-mm.
eh Komus, terkenal.
Famous, oke. Terkenal.
Banget.
Mm-mm. Okay, wait. I'm going to share with you the screen, my screen. One. Can you see the text list of degrees of comparison? This one? Yes. Type 1, type 2, type 3, type 4, type 5, and type 6. So degrees of comparison uses ER or EST, lebih atau paling. We can use these 6 types to use or to say the degree of comparison. Type 1, doubling the final consonant of a monosyllabic adjectives and adding ER and EST. Jadi tipe yang pertama itu huruf terakhirnya di double. Ya, for example, like this one, we have big, thin, fat, dim, hot, sad, slim, red. Ya, for comparative, we double hurufnya di double. So big becomes double G like this. Big, bigger. Thin, thinner. Fat, fatter. Dim, dimmer. Hot, hotter. Sad, sadder. Slim, slimmer. Red, redder. Usually with monosyllabic words or adjectives, we put them like this one. Jadi kalau ada kata sifat yang hanya satu suku kata, big, thin, thick, thin, fat, dim, seperti ini, biasanya kata atau konsonan belakangnya di double. Di sini G-nya double, N-nya double, T-nya double, double M, double T, double D, and the others. Okay, and then let's see type 2. Adding ER and EST to monosyllabic adjectives in which the last consonant is preceded by another consonant or two vowels. Yang tipe kedua paling umum ditambah ER. Ya, for example, like this one, bright, brighter, short, shorter, weak, weaker, long, longer, smart, smarter, cool, cooler, dark, darker, small, smaller, bold, bolder. Okay, this one is the most common. Yang paling banyak tipe kedua. And then type 3, adding R and EST to adjectives ending in E. Kalau akhirannya huruf E, tinggal ditambah R. Type 3, large, larger. Semuanya berakhiran E. We just need to put R. Close, closer. Dense, denser. Humble, humbler. Simple, simpler. Fine, finer. Okay, this one is type 3. Let's see type 4. Adding IER to adjectives ending in Y. Kalau akhirannya Y, ditambah IER. Ya, type 4. Funny, funnier. Happy, happier. Begini tulisannya. Ditambahi IER. Ini sudah ada di Telegram, nanti bisa di-review lagi. Type 5, we have adding more and most to polysyllabic adjectives. Nah, biasanya kalau adjektifnya agak panjang, kita menggunakan more. Type 5, sorry. Comfortable, more comfortable. Beautiful, more beautiful. Sensible, more sensible. Ignorant, more ignorant. Attractive, more attractive. More important, more courageous, more faithful, more elegant. And the last one, we have irregular. Irregular means we have different words from the adjective and the comparative, also the superlative. Jadi bentuknya berbeda. Berbeda dari tipe 1 sampai tipe 5 tadi, Amel. So, for example, we say lebih baik itu bukan gooder, tapi better. Good, better, best. Lebih buruk itu bukan better, tapi worse. Bad, worse, worst. Far, farther, or farther. Late, later. Much more, little less, many more, old, elder, or older. Nah, tadi coba Amel punya beberapa kata tadi. For example, yang
Five.
pertama tadi cute menjadi cute,
User.
cuter. Oke, angry,
And Angel.
angrier. Alright. What is the next one?
Busy.
Busy. Lebih sibuk?
Busier.
Busier. Very nice. And then famous?
Eight. Yes.
Yeah. More?
Yes, sir.
More famous, ya. Famous, more famous. Kemudian, satu lagi. Cute,
The,
angry, busy, famous. What is the other one?
it,
Ya.
yes,
Hmm?
yes. Oh,
Is.
ya.
Timur.
Mudah, mudah.
Mudah. Oh, easy.
Oh, easy.
Easy. Iya, easy.
Iya.
Easier. Okay. Easy, easier. Now, let's use that one or the adjective in a sentence. Ya, kita gunakan tadi komparatifnya. Lebih suka yang mana? Yang ini atau yang itu? Lebih suka yang hijau atau yang hitam? Oh, I prefer the black one. Why? Well, because it's more beautiful, yeah, for example. What do you think about this jacket, Amel? Kasih kasih adjektif untuk mendeskripsikan jaket ini. How do you describe this jacket? It's blue. I think it's your favorite color. Do you like it? Do you like this kind of jacket? No. Why not?
Kalau jaket sukanya gelap-gelap.
Gelap-gelap. Oke. Jadi adjektif apa yang bisa dikasih untuk mendeskripsikan jaket ini?
I not like
You don't like it because
jacket.
uh,
I'm not, uh, I, I, I not, I not to,
I don't
not,
like to wear this kind of jacket. Yes. Because
because,
mudah
um,
kotor atau
terlalu mencolok.
terlalu mencolok. Oke. What is mencolok in English?
I don't know.
Mencolok means bright. Yeah. It has bright color. The color is too bright. Yeah. Right. What about the second jacket? What do you think? It's a
I
leather.
like,
Uh-huh. You like it?
um, I like, but I'm not tired.
Okay. Because this one seems more masculine ya, lebih macho. Okay. Tapi for example, when you need to choose between the blue one and the black one, which one do you prefer? Kalau terpaksa banget harus milih antara yang biru sama yang hitam, which one do you prefer?
Blue.
The blue one. I prefer the blue one. Why? Because it's more lebih apa dari yang
Um,
hitam?
lebih cocok sama gelaku.
Lebih cocok. It's more matching or it's cooler, probably, yeah. Uh, yeah. Which dress do you prefer? Which dress do you prefer? So we're talking about preferences, kesukaan, and then comparisons with adjectives. Which dress do you prefer, Amel? Oh, I prefer the blue one. Why? I think it's nicer than the black one. I prefer, saya lebih suka the blue one, yang biru. It's nicer than, lebih bagus daripada the black one. So we can say nice, nicer. It's nicer than the black one. Which one do you like more? This one is the second way. Ada cara yang kedua. Cara yang pertama kalau menunjukkan suka, kita gunakan prefer. Cara kedua kita gunakan like more. Which one do you like more? Kamu lebih suka yang mana? I like the blue one more. More-nya di belakang ya. I like the blue one more. Which one do you like more? The blue one or the black one? Oh, I like the blue one more. Why? It's lighter than the black one. Warnanya lebih, uh, materialnya lebih ringan. It's lighter than the black one. Gak berat dipakai. It's lighter than the black one. Which one do you like better? Ini cara yang ketiga, the third way. I like the black one better. I like the black one better. Prefer, like more, like better. And then the explanation is the same. It's more stylish, it's cooler, it's more comfortable than the blue one. So we have cheap, cheaper, nice, nicer, big, bigger, pretty, prettier. All right. Can you now repeat after me, Amel? Let's read these ones. Repeat after me. Which dress do you prefer?
Dress you prefer?
I prefer the blue one.
I prefer the blue one.
It's nicer than the black one.
It-
Nicer?
It's nicer than the black one.
Which one do you like more?
Which one do you like more?
I like the blue one more.
I like the blue one more.
It's lighter than the black one.
It's lighter than the black one.
Which one do you like better?
Which one do you like better?
I like the black one better.
I like the black one better.
It's more stylish than the blue one.
It's more stylish than the blue one.
Okay, so we talk about preferences. Yeah, now let's practice, Amel. Which one do you
Uh,
prefer? The black ones or the white ones?
the white one.
The white ones. Why is that?
Um, it is more stylish.
Okay, they're more stylish. They are more stylish. I prefer the white ones. They are more stylish. Okay, we have two t-shirts. Which one do you like more? The blue one or the gray one?
The blue one.
The gray one. Why is that?
Cute. It's more
Okay, it's
cute.
cuter. Yes. I like the gray one more. I like the gray one more. It's cuter. Can you say it?
Um,
I like.
I like the green one more.
It's
It
cuter.
is more cuter.
Yes. I like the gray one more. It's cuter. Okay, we have caps here. The black one and the red one. Which one do you like better, Amel?
The black one.
The black one. Why is that?
But the trend.
Keren. Means cool. So I like the black one better
So,
because it's cool. Yes. Now let's practice. For number one, we have two jackets. Which of these jackets do you like more, Amel? I prefer the leather one. The design is nice becomes
um, so
number one. Nice becomes nice.
nicer.
Nicer, yes. And it looks,
And it looks
uh
expensive.
ayo
More
tadi
expensive.
lebih mahal,
Um, more
more
expensive.
expensive. Very good. So this one is nicer and this one is more expensive. Let's see number two. We have two sweaters. These sweaters are nice. Which one do you prefer? I like the gray one better. The color is
Pretty, prettier.
prettier. Very good. And then,
Prettier.
it's
Is more attractive.
it's more attractive. Very good. Now let's see number three.
Um, the smaller
Mm-mm. Small?
and
Smaller.
smaller,
Yes.
and there are more cheap,
There. Cheap, cheap. Lebih murah means
more cheap,
cheap. That one. Yes. Cheaper.
cheaper,
Mm-mm. Okay. Attractive. More attractive. This one is smaller and this one is cheaper. Ah, this one. Okay. Any questions so far? Nope.
apa yang bagian ketiga bukan more cheaper?
More cheaper. Karena eh, ketentuannya kalau belakangnya P, kita tambahkan ER. Jadi cheaper ini masuk ke dalam bagian yang ditambahkan ER. Kalau Amel pengen tahu adjektif komparatif atau superlatifnya apa, bisa lihat di kamus. I prefer the Oxford Learner Dictionary. Di website itu ada Oxford Learner Dictionary online. Let me show you ya. Jadi kenapa bukan more cheap? Nah, sudah ketentuan dari eh, sananya ya, ketentuan dari sistem bahasa Inggrisnya kalau lebih murah itu adalah cheaper. Nah, gimana Miss caranya biar kita bisa tahu? Nah, caranya satu, kita cari daftar seperti tadi yang saya kasih lihat, tipe satu, tipe 2, tipe 3, sampai tipe 6 tadi, daftar comparative degree. Atau cara yang kedua, lihat di kamus setiap kali kita come across atau ketemu sama kata sifat, terus dicari, oh kata sifat ini kalau lebih atau paling itu bentuknya seperti apa ya. For example, let me show you cheap ya. We can find this word in an online dictionary. There are so many kinds of online dictionaries. One of them is Oxford Online Dictionaries. Okay, please wait. I'm going to share my screen so you can also know or see how we find more information about each word. Yeah, so I'm opening the online Oxford Dictionary. Nanti di situ langsung kelihatan, Amel. Oke, habis ini saya share untuk Oxford Online Dictionary-nya. Please wait. Hopefully you can see it. Yeah, can you see it? Sudah kelihatan? Sudah. Ya, terlihat ya. Over here we have cheap as an adjective. Jadi kalau pengen tahu cheap itu more cheap atau cheaper, tinggal masuk ke website Oxford Learner Dictionary, kemudian ketik cheap, boleh diklik di sini,
cheap,
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 cheap. So this one is American, this one is American and British. This one, the blue one is British,
cheap,
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 cheap. Almost the same, yeah? And then we have the comparative, cheaper. For the superlative, we have cheapest. Yeah. Okay, let's see. Expensive, inexpensive. The opposite of cheap is expensive.
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 Expensive. Okay, expensive. Then over here we have an expensive car. It's too expensive. But we don't see the comparative here, yeah. More expensive. We can see it here in the examples of sentences. Ya. Jadi caranya ngecek satu dengan daftar. Daftar bisa cari di Google atau bisa mencari di ChatGPT. ChatGPT. Kasih daftar list of comparison. List of comparison or list of comparative degree. Nanti banyak um, di sini ya. Word list for example. Comparative and superlative. Biar nanti tahu harus sering-sering lihat daftar and then we also use this one. Nah, udah ada nih Amel, udah dibikinkan banyak list. So you need to check, you need to look at these kinds of lists. Jadi biar ingat harus sering-sering lihat list, kemudian baca, mendengar, listen, and read, kemudian mengerjakan soal. Nah, kalau sudah membaca seperti ini, for example, sincere, small, smooth, soft. We have smoother, softer. Yeah. We also have many adjectives here. Okay? Yeah. Right. Let's go back to our exercise. I'm going to share another exercise. Okay, we're here talking about references and degrees of comparison. Okay, I'm going to go right. Oh, sorry. Now let's take a look at the exercises. We're going to see the grammar exercises. Please wait. Ya, sebentar. The screen is on the process of its sharing. Ta-da! Yeah. Wah, so this is the process ya. Yeah. Yang put dulu di atas. Yeah, alright. I'm going to find some exercises about preferences and adjectives, yeah, degrees of Comparison. Mhm. This one is there on the PDF, but you don't have it in the printed book. So this one is only in the printed book. Okay, the grammar focus. Yeah, number unit 3. Part 2. Okay. Preferences, comparisons with adjectives. For adjectives with one syllable or adjectives of two syllables ending in Y, add ER to form the comparative. Ya, satu suku kata atau dua suku kata yang berakhiran Y diberi ER. And then for adjectives with two syllables not ending in Y or adjectives of three or more syllables, use more plus adjectives. Kalau suku katanya lebih dari dua atau lebih, tiga atau lebih, ditambah more. Let's see. Attractive, more attractive. What about happy? What do you think?
Happier,
Happier. Exciting?
excited,
Mm-mm. Exciting means menyenangkan. What is lebih menyenangkan?
more exciting,
Very good. More exciting. What about friendly?
friendlier,
Are you sure? Lebih ramah?
friendlier,
Hmm. Hmm.
no,
Friendlier. Is it more friendly or friendlier?
more friendlier,
More friendly or friendlier? Let's find it. Oh,
more friendlier,
mm-mm. Both are correct. Both more friendly and friendlier are grammatically correct ways to express a higher degree of happiness. Yeah, dua-duanya betul. Friendlier or more friendly. And then the next one is interesting.
more interesting,
More interesting. Reasonable.
more reasonable,
More reasonable. Sad.
brighter,
Sadder. Warm.
warmer,
Warmer. Very good. Yeah. Let's go to exercise B. Answer the questions. Use the first word in the parentheses in your answer. Then write another sentence with the second word. Okay, so we use the first word with um to answer, and then the second word we use the second word to make the second sentence. For example, which pants do you prefer, the cotton ones or the wool ones? The answer in the first sentence, we use the first word. I prefer the wool ones because we talk about pants, satu pasang, jadi kita pakai S. I prefer the wool ones. And then we use the adjective, yeah. They are more attractive than the cotton ones. So I prefer the wool ones. They're more attractive than the cotton ones. Okay, now let's see number 2. Think about the answer of number 2, Amel. Which ring do you like better, the gold one or the silver one? You need to answer silver. How do you say your answer?
I prefer,
Mm-mm. I like. Number 2 is using like.
I
I
like
like. Yes, I like the
silver
silver one
on the silver,
better. Titik.
better,
Aha. It's
The
karena bendanya satu, so we say it's
more
more
interesting
interesting. It's more interesting than the
the silver one.
the gold one ya. Lebih menarik daripada the gold one. Betul ya? Okay, like this. Which ring do you like better, the gold one or the silver one? I like the silver one better. I like the silver one better. Number 3. Which one do you prefer, the silk blouse or the cotton blouse?
I
I
prefer
prefer the
the
silk.
one the silk one.
Mm-mm. It's
Is it more? It it's brighter
mm-mm. Then the
than the cotton.
yeah, the cotton one. Now number 4, the last one. Which ones do you like more, the black shoes or the purple shoe, the purple ones? I like
Purple, purple,
mm-mm. I like the purple
purple,
ones
one,
more karena more. I like the purple ones more. Full stop. And then we continue. They are atau it's.
they are
They are. Uh-huh.
compare
Cheap menjadi
of cheaper,
cheaper
cheaper
than
the one and one
uh
than black.
yeah, the black ones. Okay. Let's read. I'm going to ask the question. Please answer the questions, Amel. Number 1, which pants do you prefer, the cotton ones or the wool ones?
One, they're more attractive than the cotton one.
Okay. Number 2, which ring do you like better, the gold one or the silver one?
I like the silver one better. It's more interesting than the gold one.
Okay. Which one do you prefer, the silk blouse or the cotton blouse?
I prefer the silk one, but simpler than the cotton one.
Okay. Which ones do you like more, the black shoes or the purple ones?
I like the purple one more. They're cheaper than the black one.
Okay. Now I'm going to put this. Yeah. I'm going to erase. Ya. Nanti boleh ditulis ya, Amel. Then we're going to continue to the workbook. Yeah, you can open the workbook on Unit 3. So we're going to do the exercises on Unit 3. Please open the books on the second part of the book. We have the workbook on Unit 3. Okay. Now we're looking at exercise 7. Over here we have exercise 7. Please open page 16, Amel. For the workbook, we are going to do exercise 7. Please open page 16. Boleh dibuka bukunya di halaman 16 sambil dikerjakan. We're going to look at number 1. Okay, can you see it? Hey, look at these silver earrings. They're nice and they're cheaper than those gold earrings. Have cheap, cheaper than, lebih murah daripada atau dibandingkan. Cheaper than. Perhatikan kita pakainya a. Kalau kita pakai itu artinya kemudian. Jadi kita pakainya yang a untuk membandingkan. Okay, let's do the next one. But there, the gold ones. Small becomes
Smaller.
smaller. Okay. Pakai then tidak?
Pakai.
But they're smaller than atau they're smaller saja?
They're smaller.
Smaller saja ya, karena tidak ada pembandingnya. Kalau yang nomor A tadi, they're cheaper than those gold earrings. Ada yang dibandingkan. And then in part B, in B, we say, but they're smaller, titik. Ya, karena nggak ada yang dibandingkan, so we say, they're smaller. Then let's see the next one. Well, yeah, the gold ones are.
Bigger.
Do we use then? Bigger
No.
dengan then atau bigger saja?
Bigger saja.
Bigger, only bigger ya. Atau pakai then? Bigger. Ini ada the silver ones, berarti ada yang dibandingkan. So what do we use? Bigger or bigger than? Bigger than. The gold ones are bigger than the silver ones. Ya, karena ada yang dibandingkan, so we use than. So we see smaller, but they're smaller. Oh, harusnya ada yang ini ya, Amel, sorry. So we say over here, smaller than. Begini harusnya ya. Because they're smaller than the gold ones. Smaller than the gold ones ya. Ada yang dibandingkan. I'm very sorry. Well, yeah, the gold ones are bigger than the silver ones. Okay, when we have two things, then we compare. So we use then. Okay, let's see number 2.
This leather coat is a more attractive toward one.
This leather coat is more attractive
More
than.
attractive. No.
Ini ada the wool one-nya?
Yes.
Yes, with then ya. Then. The leather coat is more attractive than the wool one. What about B? Yes, the wool one is warmer tanpa than karena tidak ada pembandingnya. This leather coat is more attractive than the wool one. Yes, but the wool one is warmer. Now let's see number 3.
Prettier.
Can you read the sentence? This orange shirt is an interesting color. Yes, but the color is prettier.
Prettier.
Do we use
Prettier.
them?
No.
Look at this one. The
Hmm.
color is the design. Warnanya lebih cantik daripada desainnya. So we use
Prettier than the
yes,
design.
mm-mm. Prettier than the design. The design isn't bad. I think the pattern on that gray shirt is
Good.
That's good apa? Lebih baik?
More good.
Mm-mm. Ini irregular, Amel. Jadi beda. Tidak menggunakan ER, tidak menggunakan more. So we have better.
Better.
Uh-uh. Ada than-nya?
Yes.
Yes. We use then. I think the pattern on that gray shirt is better than the pattern on this orange one. Number 4. These cotton dresses are nice. Yes, but the soft ones are nicer. Do we use then? No, yeah? Okay. But they're also
More expensive.
more expensive. Right. So if we have two things, we compare two things, we use then. But if we compare, then but we don't have the two things on the same sentence, then we don't use then. Kalau kedua bendanya disebutkan, kita menggunakan then. Kalau hanya salah satu saja, kita tidak perlu menggunakan then. Okay, I'm going to erase the answer.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, let's read again from number 1. Insya Allah nanti rekamannya saya upload ke YouTube and then I'm going to share the links on the Telegram group, Amel, so you can watch again when you are free ya. Nanti kalau sudah terconvert video rekaman ini di-upload ke G Drive, ke YouTube, sorry. And then the YouTube link will be shared to our Telegram group. Now let's read number 1. Try to remember the answer. I'm going to be A and you're going to be B. Yeah. You can speak slowly if you don't really remember the answer. Hey, look at these silver earrings. They're nice and they're cheaper than those gold earrings. Yes, your turn.
Hey.
Mhm. But there,
Hey. Look. Oh.
you are B, I will be A. Now it's your
But-
turn for B.
But they are smaller than the gold one.
Mm-mm. Well, yeah, the gold ones are bigger than the silver ones, but $400 is a lot of money. Now you are A, I will be B. Number 1.
This leather coat is.
Number 1, Amel, you will be A, I will be B.
Oh. Hey, look. Hey, look. Hey, look at these silver earrings. They're nice and Taylor cheap those gold earrings.
But they're smaller than the gold ones.
Yeah, well, yeah, the good ones are easier than the silver ones,
Oh,
but uh, for $400 is a lot of money.
good. Now let's go to number 2. I will be A, you will be B. This leather coat is more attractive than the wool one.
Yes, but the wool one is one
Okay.
is
Now you will be
more
A.
warm.
Yes, thank you. You will be A and I will be B for number 3. This orange shirt is an interesting color. Sorry, I will be A, you will be B. Yeah, number 3. I'm A, you are B. This orange shirt is an interesting color.
Yes, but the color is uh, prettier than the design.
The design isn't bad.
I think the pattern on that way better than the pattern on the orange one.
Yeah, okay. Now let's see number 4. I will be A and you will be B again. These cotton dresses are nice.
Yes, but the big ones are nicer.
They're also more expensive. Right. So far, ada yang ingin ditanyakan, Amel? Do you have any question? Okay, now look at your book. I will give you around 3 minutes to choose. Yeah. Over here we have number 1. We have gold ring and silver ring. Number 2, we have tablet and laptop computer. Number 3, we have hiking boots and sneakers. Number 4, we have wool gloves and leather gloves. For number 5, we have black sunglasses and white sunglasses. Look at the questions, number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then write down your answers on your book. For example, number 1, which ring do you prefer? The silver one or the gold one? And then you say, I prefer the gold one. Itu aja dulu. Number 2, 3, 4, and 5. Please write down your answers on your book. And then later, when you have finished, please read your answers. Which one do you like more? Yes?
Number 2, I like the laptop computer one.
Okay. Pikirnya like. Which one do you like more? I like.
I like
Mm-mm.
the I like the more I
The
like
laptop.
the more the laptop computer.
Iya, more-nya di belakang, Amel. I like the laptop computer more. Okay, now let's see number 3. Which ones do you like more, the hiking boots or the sneakers?
I like the sneakers more.
More, very good. I like the sneakers more. Which ones do you prefer? The wool gloves or the leather gloves?
I prefer the the, the gloves one.
Okay, wool or leather?
Mm.
Wool, okay. I prefer the wool gloves or I prefer the wool ones. Number 5, which sunglasses do you like better, Amel? The black ones or the white ones? I like
The
mm-mm,
white one.
better.
Better.
Yes. Jadi jangan ketinggalan kalau pertanyaannya like better, betternya di belakang. I prefer or I like the white ones better. Yes. Kalau pertanyaannya like more, which ones do you like more? I like the sneakers more. Kalau prefer, hanya prefer saja. Okay, let's practice again. Amel, look at the same pictures. Let's look at number 1. Amel, which one do you prefer? The gold ring or the silver ring?
silver ring.
Use it in a full sentence. I prefer.
I prefer the silver one.
Okay, the silver one or the silver ring. Dua-duanya betul. Let's see number 2. Which one do you like more, Amel? Tablet or the laptop computer? The tablet or the laptop computer?
I like I like the laptop computer more.
Nice. Now let's see number 3. Which one do you like better, Amel? Hiking boots or the sneakers?
I like the sneaker more. More.
Okay, ya, listen carefully ya. Kalau pertanyaannya better, jawabannya juga better. Kalau more, jawabannya more. Meskipun kalau sudah di lapangan, kalau udah ngobrol biasa, itu tidak jadi masalah ya. Kalau pertanyaannya more, jawabnya better, so it's okay. Yang perlu diperhatikan kalau pas tes tertulis aja sih. Oke. In practice, it's not a big deal. Okay, let's see number 4. Which ones do you like better, Amel? The wool gloves or the leather gloves?
The big I
Mhm.
I prefer the wool glove
Mm-mm. Okay, that's it. Thank you.
more.
I prefer, kalau prefer langsung. I prefer the wool gloves. That's it. Number 5. Which one do you like more? The black sunglasses or the white sunglasses?
I like the which ones better.
Yes, I like the white ones better. Very nice. So you have practice using preferences. Yeah, I prefer. I like the black one better. I like the black one more. And then we also practice uh, saying those preferences. Do you have any question? We have finished the discussion today. Our next meeting will be when? When will be our next meeting, Amel? Minggu depan Amel bisa kursus hari apa? Oops. Ya, minggu depan kira-kira Amel bisa kursus hari apa? Kita masih ada 4 pertemuan lagi, Amel. Oh, kita masih ada 3 lagi, Amel. Mau diselesaikan minggu depan? Atau kita masih punya waktu sampai tanggal 17 Januari? Minggu depan Amel ujian atau kita bisa ada kelas minggu depan?
Ujian aja deh, Miss.
Kenapa?
Ujian.
Ujian di sini atau ujian di kampusnya Amel?
Gak tahu nanti.
Di kampus lagi ujian nggak?
Udah selesai.
Udah selesai. Oke, berarti kita bisa lanjut kursus ya. Mm-mm. Antara hari Senin sampai hari Kamis, Amel bisa hari apa? Nanti salah satunya kita bisa pakai untuk tes 1.
Hmm, kurang tahu Miss. Nanti biasanya kalau live soalnya biasa tuh ada kegiatan-kegiatan gitu juga loh.
Oke. Em, Berarti kalau misalnya kita jadwalkan hari Selasa lagi seperti kemarin, belum tahu juga ya.
Tak bisa lihat lagi tak.
Eh, Kabarin saya ya. Minggu
Baik,
depan
Miss.
lebih kemungkinan ke online atau ke offline, Amel. Mungkin sesuai kegiatannya ya. Heeh, oke. Jadi minggu ini nanti saya fixkan lagi Karena tadi kebetulan pas internetnya tidak begitu bagus, jadi soal tes online-nya belum siap tadi. Jadi nanti saya siapkan kalau minggu depan Amel siap online, kita tesnya online. Kalau siap offline, kita tesnya offline ya.
Baik, Miss.
Okay, thank you very much Amel for today. Alhamdulillahirabbil alamin. See you next time. Have a great weekend. Moga-moga sehat selalu. Alhamdulillah once again. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you Amel. See you.